This family is in the Cape for ages, from the 1800s, when my great-grandparents came from Java. At the age of 5, I tasted my first donut. My mom was preparing donuts for my dad and his friends. I was sitting on the floor by her and stuffing my mouth full of donuts under the table. Eventually starting helping my mom, getting involved, getting the ingredients from the shop with a whisk and cart, which is an old tradition of the family, and bringing it home to my mom to make the donuts. This recipe is an old family recipe, coming from my grandma, teaching my mom to make them and my mom teaching me to make them. And that's why I'm making them today. Coming to Cape Town, having some donuts in this mother city is not the same like the Malay donuts that I make. It tastes completely different because it is handmade. The secret behind the donut is the hands and the method that I use to make them. Thinking about it, over the last 5 years, I made nearly 720,000 donuts, and that's a lot. Living in the community is so nice. The people of this community is very friendly, very helpful, and very caring, like I am.